That's Adam. He owns
better
it.
or worse.
You know, we may have some suspension problems going on back here, but that's a
It's on back.
problem for another time. This is it. Got a couple issues.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Golden calipers, because you know, big ball of car. Well, that's the car. So anyways, bring it back to the front, please.
All right, so we got a question for you, Adam.
Yeah.
If you were to paint your car any color, what would it be? Because we were arguing about that.
No. Think about it. You gotta think about it.
Yeah.
Cherry candy red.
Cherry candy red. Would you get an emblem then?
This is a scene right now. Jaggy's getting torn apart, ready for the wrap. Door panels off. Door panels coming off over there. Just trying to make it a little bit easier. We took off these door handles. Gonna do the same thing on all the rest of the door handles. We've taken the taillights off so that we can, God, that is disgusting. We took the taillights off so that Adam could finesse these. Perfect comparison going on right here. Professional rapper over here.
I always look so stupid with the headlamp.
You look stupid always, bro. This looks so much better than the chrome. Good job.
Thank you.
So this is final prep day before we wrap, hopefully. Car's gonna be all ready to get wrapped, and we're gonna begin.
We are gonna start with the trunk. Yeah, we got the color over here.
This is the color he wanted, cherry candy red, and we got as close as we can to that. What brand is this, Adam? Paradox wrap. It's a nice color. Sorry, I'm wearing the red hoodie. You can't see it too much. I'm still clay barring it, which you should do before you start wrapping the car. Issa and Adam are gonna start on the trunk now, and I guess we'll time lapse that.
All right, 3, 2, 1. We're recording.
What are we recording? Which part are we recording?
What are you recording?
All right, we're pretty much done with the trunk now. It's looking fire in my opinion. I really like it. Bro, that difference is crazy. Like, edgework is fire. I'm working on a little project here, trying to get the Jaguar emblem to work, and I'll update you on that if it ends up working. If it doesn't end up working, we'll see. Will he get a Jaguar logo or not? All right, so now it's just me and Adam. So it's about 3 o'clock right now. We're gonna do the quarter panel, a door, maybe the mirrors, and that's when we'll call it a night. Call it a night, if you could even say that. We got the quarter panel all laid and everything. Adam just has to cut it everywhere. It's looking good. I'm honestly kind of jealous of this color. Fire. But I don't want the B7 to be red, so I think it's perfect for Adam because he wanted red. We did pretty good. It only took us, what, 3.5 hours to lay this piece. It's only because we were struggling with too big of a piece for too long. That's about it.
I've arrived after far too long. Significant progress since I left. I left after I took off these door handles. They've gotten the trunk done, quarter, the door, this whole arch. Now we're on the hood. Time lapse time. Hood is done. We got this half done. Dude, this color looks so good. Now it keeps matching. Adam's finishing up this little front end. We're gonna cut off all the excess, tuck it obviously, and then the hood's gonna be done. Adam's gonna do the fenders, and me and Aki are gonna work on the door.
Yo, shut up, Adam. The cameras are rolling. Now we're cutting the piece for the door.
Our door is 46, so we're gonna
45 and a half.
45 and a half. So we're gonna do a few inches extra, 48, 49.
Is yours on the edge of the tape measure?
Huh?
Is your end on the edge of the tape measure?
Yep. I like the wrap drip, bro.
Thank you.
This is how you treat the master rapper in here.
Yeah, bro, you gotta look like the master rapper too. It's like having a black belt.
don't know if Awa showed you, but my modification worked for the Jaguar logo, and we're putting it on now. Me and Adam finished this door. I was having a little bit of trouble with it, so he helped out. We have almost this side fully done. Now we're getting to this fender, so I'll set you down on the tripod so you guys can watch that. Thanks to Awas, we got this fender done, and he finally showed up after 7 hours of being missing. Adam's using the pro wrap stick. He wanted to check if the name was right.
I just didn't believe that's what it was called. I was like,
Adam's got a new modification. So we've been fighting with this idea for like 2 days now since we started the wrap. Are we painting the wheels? Are we not painting the wheels?
To look like a Rice Civic or to not look like a Rice Civic?
We made the decision. We're gonna paint them. If they don't look too good, we'll paint them back to silver, I guess. But painting them black.
1 in the morning, 40 degrees outside, NYC winter, trying to clean these wheels. Our hose is literally fighting back and spraying us.
How's it going?
good. You know what's funny?
Oh wow, you actually got a lot done.
Yeah, I unironically work better alone than with anybody else.
That's cute.
Except for the rear quarter panel. I'm gonna need you for that, but like, as you can see, this went by pretty quick.
Yeah, no, it's pretty good. All
And
right.
a lot less, making mistakes.
I'm gonna go back to the walls. Oh wow, the lighting out here is so much worse.
You know, I told Aki and Adam P when they went to Lowe's to just get some paint samples cards, you know, just stick them in there. But no, Adam just wanted to use what he had at home, these plastic bags, and those are mad works. Me and Aki just taped it up, gets on the tires. It's gonna be black anyway. It's gonna be alright. Primer, paint, clear coat. No, we're using a blue tip. Oh my dude. It looks so good on video. It is like 5, maybe 6 o'clock in the morning. This wheel is done in black. All I have to do is put the clear coat on it. Hopefully that makes it gloss black. Common sense, it should. Okay, that's not.
All right, guys. Oh my God, why am I holding the camera like that? Hold up. That's better. Okay, guys, now that I'm back, I came to polish the roof a little bit because it was looking a little dusty. So you can see on this side, you barely see the lights. And then on this side, you see them clear as day. Hey, look at you. Haze. Not so hazy, but still, it's bad because his paint is bad. Do that to the rest of the roof. Wait for Adam to come back so he could cut the vinyl on that side. And then I'll polish the mirror caps up nicely because they're still a little foggy. Shouldn't be too much work. I don't know if the time lapse caught that or not, but the towel that was underneath the speaker was right here and I got caught in the polisher and it flung polish all over the damn car. This is, oh my, I'm so annoyed. Like, it's everywhere. and I gotta wipe it down with alcohol now. Like, bro, look at this. Oh my god. Adam finally joined me, and I got the roof finished. This mirror cap is all good. To the best of my abilities, because this paint is honestly garbage. Now Adam's gonna be wrapping the door. Gonna get the drill, try to drill out the bumper bolts. Got the bumper, the headlight off. He cut and finished the quarter panel up. And now he's wrapping the door handles. Taking 16 days.
Handle.
My fault, handle.
Singular. Also, this is nothing but pain.
Yeah, taking 5 days to do it.
Yo,
I took off a whole bumper. This kid's still on the handle.
When you were taking off the bumper, I was cutting the quarter.
Sure.
This took me like 5 minutes.
Sure.
Another little touch. Well, we're also tinting the headlights pitch black, and we want to do something with the rears too. And instead of doing the whole tail light, we decided we're only going to tint the part of the lights that holds the reverse, which were clear. Much better than tinting the whole thing, in my opinion. Oh my god. Hi. You could see better through these. We're really committed to the red and black theme going on here now.
Yeah. I mean, look at the center caps even, bro. We got red and chrome actually, and then over here, the old ones.
They were green. Fire. It is currently the day that Adam comes back. The car is 95% done. All we have left to do is the front bumper. I have 2 wheels left to paint, the grille left to paint. That's about it. I've assembled all the doors again. All the door handles are on, taillights, everything is basically done. 95% of the car is done, but he comes back today at 9 p.m. And we're planning on setting up a surprise for him tomorrow because tomorrow is his birthday. So today we're just gonna wrap up the car. Tomorrow we're gonna surprise him. So that's all we have left to do. And let's get to it. All that is left to wrap red on this car is this half of the bumper. Do the wheels and the calipers. When Adam's done with this, and we can pull it out and do all that stuff too. This is the scene with 4 hours left to go till he gets back. At least we're not surprising him until tomorrow. Adam's finishing up the wrap over there. We're prepping the last 2 wheels to go black. We're gonna paint the calipers red, and then the car should be finally done. Wow, this angle is insane. Once it's all put back together, I cannot wait to see it. But we're grinding. But me and Issa finished prepping the wheels. So now while I paint the wheels, I'm gonna prep these while those dry. Then I'm gonna keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until these calipers are red and the wheels are black. Light, bro, light. Look, you were watching me do the primer. Just do it like that. Give it like 3-4 inches. Okay, now you're just feathering it, bro. Like I was doing with the primer, bro.
I'm stressed.
From like 3-4 inches away. Only they dried this glossy. Well, that's almost it for the wheels. One more coat of clear and we're done with those.
I honestly don't remember recording any of the process of this, but we painted the calipers. The wheels are back on. We're back in the garage. We're gonna wrap the rest of the front bumper. Adam only did half last night. He had to go to bed. Did you go to bed?
No, I didn't sleep at all.
Then what the hell were you doing all day, bro? Oh my god.
1:23 a.m. on the day of the surprise. Wrapping things up. Tinted headlights are in. Front bumper is 95% wrapped.
I'm gonna cry.
The grill is the last piece of the puzzle right now. To see how the front end is gonna look completed. We put these red bars, so hopefully they pop out from the back. Time to open the garage door? Yes, sir.
I want this to be my car. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Oh my.
It looks so menacing. It used to look menacing before, but now?
It's like ×2.
We'll be right back when this bumper is fully wrapped. Yo, we have to document this.
We need to remember.
Can you turn that off so we can like not get copyright striked?
So it's 3:30 in the morning right now. And we're almost done wrapping the Jaguar. So we just take like maybe a 5-minute break just to look at it. And me and Awash are like, yo, this is great. This is amazing. Wow.
You can see in the clip, the one that was just before this.
Yeah, this kid Adam P, you'll show him real quick. Right? This kid's like, meh. It's kind of okay. I gotta finish this. We get hungry. I had a plate of halal. Awas had a plate of halal. But this kid had 2 gyros.
Two of them.
And he finished those before we can even get halfway through our plates. He is the happiest man in the world. His mood changed. He was like, wow, I feel refreshed.
Food in Princess's system. And he's all look at him, he's smiling right now. He's smiling and laughing. Adam's gonna go back to finishing this since he's in such a good mood now. Ain't that right now?
I'm watching the show.
I guess I'll finish wrapping it then. Oh my god. I may have bought a tarp too large.
Yeah, wait. Okay, because I need a lot.
Set up. The car is all set up, looking like the hood. Oh my god, look at it from here. Looks like the hood is crumbled, you know, because our story is gonna be, oh yeah, we haven't even told anyone the story, bro. So basically our story is gonna be that I crashed Adam's car and it's sitting in Adam's backyard. He comes back from Marines after 5-6 months, and the first thing I tell him is that I crashed his car. Obviously it's not crashed, it's fully wrapped now, and a lot more. And this is what it looks like. Time to do the story.
Plate is golden.
Yeah. Tell me how realistic that looks.
Bro, honestly, it looks like you macked the out of it.
Yeah. So, here's the plan. I'm about to go get Adam. I'm going to be telling him, I'm going to catch up with him obviously in the car ride to Adam's house. And then when we get here, I'm going to put him onto the whole, oh, I crashed your car, this, that. And then we're going to bring him back here. He's going to see the car. Me, Connor, and Adam are going to pull the tarp off, and Aki should be getting his reaction on his phone. Here we go. This is what we've been losing sleep over. And I was taking the exit a little too fast. And the rear came out, and it little bit slapped the guardrail. And then it came back around and it slammed into the guardrail from the front. I would like to apologize. It's not totaled.
God damn.
What's up, Blackie? This kid don't know how to drive.
What's up? Could have more than this to pump up.
Don't worry about that.
You're cool with it?
Yeah, like, I mean, I can't really be too mad.
You want to see it?
I mean, I kind of. So, guardrail violated.
Yeah,
basically.
How do you guys want to
Jaguar. Damn.
Oh, don't worry about that, bro.
You told me.
Holy
What do you think?
it looks hot as hell. Holy the wheels got clean. What the? Holy Guys, I'm not gonna. I don't see that.
Huh?
God damn. When'd you guys do this?
Like the week that you were coming back? This week?
You guys did this with Soulful.
Yep.
That's sexy.
Yeah. That's
That's the color I wanted too.
Yeah?
Yep.
The one color that you wanted.
God damn, no, I can't. No, I definitely can't sell it.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.